I am planning to study a master of the university of Oxford. I will have to move to England. My parents encourage me to continue with my professional development. Backs they speak me not to leave the country it had promised to come back for the holidays in order to be celeb. I have to write an essay and weeks. I explain the reason why he wants to study there. Then they request and needs to travel today. Okay, to have an interviews with the people in charge of the program. Then I have to pass a test. My girlfriend that wants me to Spain 2 years in the okay, but she has decided to be sick midway midway I am there.